Nature by H.D. Carberry. We have neither summer nor winter, neither autumn nor spring. We have instead the days when the gold sun shines on the lush green cane fields magnificently, the days when the rain beats like bullets on the roofs, and there is no sound but the swish of water in the gullies and trees struggling in the high Jamaica winds. Also, there are the days when leaves fade from off guango trees, and the reaped cane fields lie bare and fallow to the sun. But best of all, there are the days when the mango and the logwood blossom, when bushes are full of the sound of bees and the scent of honey, when the tall grass sways and shivers to the slightest breath of air, when the buttercups have paved the earth with yellow stars, and beauty comes suddenly, and the rains have gone. And this poem, Nature, by H.D. Carberry, is a very popular poem that is studied in Jamaican schools. Most of us would have learned it by heart when we went to primary school. This is one of the classical poems that brings about such wonderful memory of school in Jamaica. Which other poems can you remember that you used to say in Jamaica? Let me know in the comment section. Remember to subscribe to JamFet, like this video, as we continue to spread the Jamaican culture a yard and abroad.